Welcome back, wilderness warriors and outdoor enthusiasts! Rainer Snake Salzger is here again with a new episode of Where the Wild Meets the Wise. Today, we're talking about a small, inconspicuous thing that should be in every backpack, but whose true power most people don't understand until it's too late. I'm talking about the good old compass. Everyone knows the Alpine Club's recommendation. Along with bandages, a rain jacket, and granola bars, a compass is part of standard equipment. Sure, but let's be honest. Who among you hasn't thought to themselves, what am I supposed to do with this thing if I don't have a map and I'm lost in the woods? Well, the needle will just point north. And now what? That's precisely the question. The classic application, aligning the map, taking a bearing, calculating a course, that's all well and good. But what if you're standing out there without a map? The fog is rolling in, dusk is falling, and panic is slowly closing in on you. Is the compass useless ballast then? I tell you, no! It's at this very moment that it transforms from a navigational instrument into your most important survival tool. It's your psychological anchor in a sea of disorientation. Forget about northing maps for a moment. Let's focus on the one fundamental quality. The compass gives you a constant, unchanging direction. Always. No matter how you turn, no matter how confused you are, north is always north. And that, my friends, is the key to turning a life-threatening situation into a solvable task. Why? For three very simple reasons. First, it keeps you from walking in circles. This isn't a myth. When people get lost and have no reference points, they unconsciously tend to walk in circles. This is a psychological and physiological trap. The compass is the brutal, honest voice that says, no, this direction is straight ahead. The discipline of maintaining a single compass direction alone can mean the difference between salvation and exhaustion. Secondly, it activates your hidden knowledge. Imagine you know only one simple thing. The highway I came from is somewhere to the east. Without a compass, this information is worthless, a vague thought. With the compass in hand, this thought becomes a concrete plan. You align yourself east and walk. You transform a feeling into an action. And thirdly, and this is for me the most important thing, it gives you back control. Panic is the greatest enemy out there. It paralyzes you, it makes you do irrational things. The moment you pull the compass out of your pocket and make a plan, no matter how simple it is, like, I'm going strictly south until I find a path. In that moment, you cease to be a victim of circumstances. You become an agent again. You give yourself a mission. This feeling of regaining control is mentally vital for survival. The compass doesn't tell you where you are without a map, but it gives you the power to decide where you're going. It transforms helpless wandering into strategic movement. So, my plea to you, don't just take the compass with you because it's on a list. Take it with you as your tool against panic. Learn to love its simplest function, the unerring indication of a fixed direction. The next time you're in the woods, pull it out and find north, just for the sake of it. Internalize this feeling of having a fixed point in the world. If these thoughts have helped you, then give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the episode with someone you wish a safe hike to. Stay wild, stay wise.